Hello everybody, today I want to show you. Today is Thursday, so I feel want to eat a sushi. You guys, you see it's good. Look, what is that? Close. Woo-hoo. The problem is sometimes it's hard to open this one. I eat without it is okay. It's very hard to open, but I try it. Come on, let's enjoy with me. Guys, now it's come back. I know what to break it. It's a ginger. There is what they call wasabi. I think this one is soy sauce. It's hard to put it, so I put like that. Little bit of wasabi. Take a picture. Wasabi not too strong. My break time, guys. Okay, this one with shrimp. With wasabi. Little bit soy sauce, guys. Pop. Eat the mocha. This clip I want to do what better. It's a long video, okay guys. You feel hungry? You guys miss me? I come back though, please. Watching and give me a thumbs up, comment to me. Maybe I do like this. Okay, 3 minutes now. Thank you so much, guys. Or I want to do a mukbang. Eat all. Or what you want? I don't want to stop. I want you to guys know that I really eat all of those.